Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before continuing to watch, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss new videos. In today's digital era, creators like Anna Kopf have carved out unique spaces in the vast world of social media. Known by her handle at annakopf.12 on TikTok, Anna has been consistently engaging a growing audience with her diverse range of content. Her approach highlights an important aspect of modern content creation: authenticity and variety. Anna's TikTok page is a vibrant blend of creativity and personal expression. Recently, she has captivated viewers with behind-the-scenes looks into her drafting process, which not only showcases her dedication, but also offers a glimpse into the discipline and patience involved in creative projects. Videos like these help audiences understand that behind every polished post lies a thoughtful process of planning, trial, and error, essential elements in both creative work and broader problem-solving skills. In addition to her creative projects, Anna often shares lifestyle content that resonates with her audience. For example, one of her recent clips features her love for cooking, describing it as a stress-relieving hobby. Such content subtly emphasizes the importance of hobbies for mental well-being, a message particularly relevant in today's fast-paced world where self-care practices like cooking, art, or dance play a crucial role in maintaining balance. Her dance videos further exemplify her versatility. They reflect not only personal enjoyment, but also the value of physical movement and rhythm as forms of self-expression. In educational terms, this highlights how physical activities can support emotional health and foster creativity, serving as excellent outlets for stress relief and community engagement. Anna's engagement levels are notable, with recent posts garnering tens of thousands of likes and hundreds of comments. This interaction underscores the significance of building a strong, supportive online community. For creators and audiences alike, such spaces provide opportunities for connection, encouragement, and shared learning. Through her consistent and varied content, Anna Kopf exemplifies how digital platforms can serve as creative outlets while promoting positive personal development. Her work encourages viewers to explore their own interests, engage in meaningful hobbies, and appreciate the value of creative expression in everyday life.